In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Typeform branding from your form. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for those looking to maintain a clean and professional appearance in their forms. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Typeform website. If you're not familiar, Typeform offers people-friendly forms and surveys that can help you collect information in a visually appealing way. So, open your preferred web browser and go to their main page. Once you're there, you'll see a Login button at the top right corner. Click on it and sign in using your existing account credentials. This will give you access to your Typeform dashboard, where all the magic happens. After logging in, navigate to your Typeform workspace. This is where you'll find all the forms you've created or been working on. It's your hub for managing all your Typeform projects. Once in the workspace, locate the form from which you want to remove the branding. You may see a list of various forms, so select the one that you're focused on editing today. Once you've chosen your form, look for the Settings option. It's usually found in the Configuration menu, which allows you to control various elements of your form. Clicking on Settings will open a new set of options. Here you'll find different sections under the Settings menu that can alter how your form behaves and appears to respondents. Now, in the Settings menu, you'll want to find and click on General. The General Settings area deals with the basic configurations of your form, such as its title, language, and notification settings. But for our purpose today, we're focused on the presentation of the form. Under the General Settings, you'll see a Display option. This is the key area where we can manage visual aspects specific to branding. Click on the Display option, and you'll see a list of features related to your form's appearance. Look for where it says Typeform Branding. This setting determines whether Typeform's name and logo are included on your form, which can be distracting if you're aiming for a seamless brand experience. When you click on Typeform Branding, you'll have the option to turn this feature off. Disabling it will remove all Typeform-related branding from your form, allowing it to authentically represent just your brand to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully removed Typeform's branding from your form. By going through these steps, you ensure that your form maintains the clean, professional look you desire, all while enhancing the focus on your brand. Be sure to save any changes before exiting. And don't hesitate to review the rest of your form to ensure everything looks great. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.